Want to know how to make money with affiliates on your email list? In this video, I show you how to do it. Hey guys, it's Jazz, and on our channel, Blogging Money Life, we teach creators like you how to blog so you can make money and live your life on your terms. So not too long ago, I created a video called 11 Easy Ways to Make Money with an Email List. And I detailed out all the ways that you can potentially make money with an email list. Well, I got such great feedback on that video that I wanted to make sure that I went more in depth with each of those reasons. And in the video today, I wanted to focus specifically on affiliates. Now, affiliates are great because they're a really good way for bloggers to bring in income passively. And it's also a good way to make money if you're new to blogging, which is something that I know I get from a lot of new bloggers. Well, can I make money with this if I'm not getting a whole lot of traffic to my site or if I have a small email list? And the answer is yes, absolutely. Now, knowing this information and having the details you need to execute on it are two different things. So in this video, I wanted to make sure that I gave you guys the tools you needed to be able to bring in affiliate income with your email list. All right, so let's jump in. Let's talk about the first way to make money with affiliates on your email list, and that is doing an affiliate launch. This is probably one of my favorite ways to make money with affiliates via email. What an affiliate launch entails is typically when your affiliate has some special promotion going on. Let's say, for example, a big deal for Black Friday. Or let's say that they have a product that is not on sale most of the year and it's going on sale. Those are good opportunities to really email your list and tell them like, hey, this is a big deal. This course is only available during this time, or this is the only time of the year where this is on sale and you should take advantage of it. And that's pretty much what you want your emails to say. Now, what's great about doing an affiliate email launch is you may start with people who don't know about the product at all, and you're sending them emails to educate them. But the more emails they see, the more likely they are to purchase. I've seen it time and time again when I've done affiliate launches, and 3 days into that launch, I'm getting emails from my email list saying, hey, I've been considering buying this since the first email you sent me, but I have a few questions. Can you answer these for me? And I typically reply back to them with an answer, and they can make a decision after that on whether or not they want to purchase. This is why I like affiliate launches, because it does give you the opportunity to overcome those obstacles that customers may have that you may not know about. And in some cases, they may flat out email you and ask you those questions as well. With an affiliate launch, you typically see most of your sales on the first day and the last day. So make sure that you are equally promoting on social media, your blog, and other channels that you may have to get the full effect of an affiliate launch. The next way to make money with affiliates on your email list is to mention them in your weekly newsletter. Now, as many of you may know by now, you should be sending an email to your blog every single week. This can be in the form of just sending them a message saying, hey, how are you guys doing? This is how my week has been. Or you can have a full-blown classic newsletter where you have different details about articles that have been published that week, maybe some of your favorite things that happened for you that week, whatever you want. But this is also a good opportunity for you to add affiliates to your email. On my weekly newsletter, something that I do is I say, better yourself this week. And I typically provide helpful resources, sometimes related to whatever the topic is in the newsletter that week, and they're all linked to affiliates. I get clicks on these every single week. So this is a good opportunity for you as well to promote affiliates in some section in your weekly newsletter. If you don't have a section that's dedicated just to affiliates, it's something else that you can consider is just tying in those affiliates in your main message. So let's say, for example, you're telling them about your week and how awesome it's been, and it's been awesome because you discovered this really cool tool that has made things so much easier for you. And if you happen to be an affiliate for that tool, this is a good opportunity for you to make some extra cash at the same time. So go ahead and put that link to your affiliate in your main section, so long as you disclose that you are an affiliate and you will be compensated if they were to click and purchase. Okay, let's talk about the third way to make money with an affiliate. This one has to be one of my favorites because it's also something that I like to do for sponsored opportunities as well. And this is tell a story about a product that you love. Now, this can be similar to what I just mentioned as far as mentioning the product in your weekly newsletter. But the difference between this strategy is you are dedicating an entire email just to this affiliate product. So let's say that your newsletter goes out on Thursdays. This can be an email that you send out on Tuesday and say, hey, I know I don't typically email you guys on Tuesday, but I just found out about this awesome product and you had to know about it. Here are all the things I love about it. Here's why I think you should check it out. And here's my special promo code for people who are on my email list only. Definitely check it out and let me know what you think. Hit reply and tell me your thoughts. That can be the email, but these go so far as getting people excited because you're pretty much saying like, hey, I couldn't wait to email you on Thursday for this product and I had to send you an email specifically for it. I've also done these before, like I mentioned, for a sponsored post, not necessarily with an affiliate link, but a brand will come to me and say, hey, I would like a dedicated email on your list, and I charge them a flat fee to be able to do that. Sometimes there's also an affiliate link included, but that's just something you can negotiate with the brand. So another good way to bring in income with affiliates from your email list. Okay, now let's talk about the last way to make money with affiliates on your email list, and that is promoting your blog post that is promoting an affiliate. So let me explain. Typically, one of the best ways that you can make money with affiliates is by writing about that affiliate on your blog, right? So if you write a really detailed blog post going into all these details as far as like what your experience was with this product, here are the details about it, here are some YouTube videos you should check out so you have all the information that you need to be able to make a decision, you want to make sure that people can find it. Something that I typically like to do is dedicate an email just to that blog post. I'll write an email and say, hey, I just wrote this blog post about this product. You have to check it out. Now this is similar to the email I just talked to you about where you're writing an email that is just for that product, but you're not going to give everything away in this email. The whole point of this email is to drive them to the blog post because your blog post is going to do all the convincing. You just want to make sure that you give them just enough to pique their interest and go check it out. So say something along the lines of, hey you guys, I just wrote this blog post. I'm super excited about it. Please check it out. It's all about this product and my experience with it over the last 3 months. You have to see it. Please go ahead and read it and leave a comment and let me know what you think about it. So that's it. I don't give a whole lot of details about what that product is. I don't talk about how if it was good or bad. I just leave them hanging a little bit so they want to go and check out that link and learn more for themselves. This is also a great traffic strategy, by the way. The more your email list grows, the more you may want to do strategies like this because it makes it so much easier for you to know you're going to get a swarm of traffic to a blog post because that's the day that you send the email to your list. So that's it. Those are the main ways that I like to make money with affiliates on my email list. If you're interested in other ways to make money on your email list, definitely check out my video, 11 ways to make money with an email list, and I have a link in the description below. Let me know if you thought this information was useful by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Wednesday, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.